All right, we're here to unbox the January 2018 surprise from Smile Create Repeat. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got the new creative card in here. Tells you all about the supplies you're getting and how to share what you've made. And then you have the lesson and inspiration on the back, showing you step by step a cool little project idea with some tips and tricks on how to use these supplies. So if you want to use those as a starting point or just to learn more about the tools, that's great. Oh, you have this great assortment pack of trading cards. There's all kinds of paper in there. Bristol, smooth, canvas, textured, watercolor paper, all kinds of stuff. SCR sticker, postcard, 2 postcards. Awesome. It's great Smile Create Repeat pencil, so you know where you got all these great supplies. And then your little gift pack here. I'm just going to slide that off, I think. Nope, I'm not. I'm going to untie it. I lied. All right. It's nice, hand-tied. Oh, we got a Ecoline brush pen. Cool. I'll leave that open so we can see it. What else do we have? The Koi maybe? Coloring, a brush pen. This is a brush pen themed box. I of course knew that. I created it for you. We have the Aqua Pen graphics from Marabou. And another brush tip, awesome. And this one's a dual tip, so it's got the fine tip also. So I'll have the brush tip out. And we have another one, the Lyra Aqua Brush Duo, again, dual tip I mean. A bullet tip on one side, a brush pen on the other. Awesome. And then we have the Kimberly pencil, 6H, so it's a hard one. So that will be a very light line, so you won't have to erase too much to see what you're doing. So there you go, that is that surprise. Hope you love it. Let us know what you think and share if you make something with this stuff. Share it, we'd love to see it.